Welcome to your June 2023 horoscope for Virgo. June is a month of overall positive forward movement and the ability to progress your life in many ways. The Star of Fortune encourages you to broaden your horizons and seek out new people beyond your usual circle, utilizing your natural talents and abilities. It's important to note that opportunities often come with hurdles, and uncertainties may need to be overcome. Don't hesitate to talk about yourself and your strengths to secure these opportunities, and remember that being slightly opportunistic is necessary. To make progress, it's essential to be brave and venture out to meet new people. Sharing your achievements will help you gain confidence. Remember that sometimes being opportunistic can bring rewards. External events or reactions from others may cause you to question your ability to attract others. You may feel inferior to those who are more successful, leading you to reflect on your current situation. However, you should not feel insecure. You must recognize your own strengths and abilities and highlight them. However, starting from the 22nd, things will begin to look up. If you're a student who has been waiting for good news, you are sure to be rewarded. You might get admitted to your dream college, provided that you have worked hard. Your friends and family members will be extremely happy to see that you are capable enough to make your dreams come true. Don't forget to thank them for staying by your side throughout your journey. The sun will be moving into Cancer from June 21st until July 22nd, and will shift you to thinking about your longer-term career and business goals. Virgo June 2023 horoscope promises plenty of action because of the influence of the planet Jupiter. You might need a break so you can recharge yourself through yoga, martial arts, walking in nature, and meditation. It's most important to reset because on the 3rd of June 2023, we're going to have a full moon in the sign of Sagittarius, and this is in your 4th house opposing the sun. Other people will encourage you to take risks and try new things. However, be sure to maintain your energy and momentum to complete the tasks you've already been working so hard towards. You will be encouraged to use your talents and forced to forget about your misgivings about your abilities. Relationships. You're going to really have the opportunity to heal parts of your subconscious when it comes to your relationships. This is a good time for hypnosis to heal love wounds by doing love affirmations. It's also good because if you're single, you're going to feel empowered. You're going to say, I'm not going to settle for anything less than what I deserve. This is good for voluntary solo work, but overall, it has a good energy. Saturn is in the 7th house. It makes you work really hard if you're in a relationship. There may be challenges this month while dealing with love affairs. Your relationships in general will feel a little off this month, but especially your romantic relationship. You may feel disconnected and out of sync with your partner, or be feeling general dissatisfaction with your relationship, but you may not be able to pinpoint the exact reason. Just be aware that minor disagreements may crop up due to your possessiveness or impatience. Marital relationships can be improved with more confidence in yourself and expressing how you truly feel. Keep the lines of communication open and everything will smooth over. If you're single, you may have the opportunity to rekindle an old flame. It's essential to be more confident in these matters, and you will get help from the planets during the last week of the month. This means you will have lots of energy, desire, and if you're single, it will help you identify what you want in a dream partner. You will come in contact with people from many other fields entirely different from your own. Venus is moving into your 12th house and will be there for quite some time. So on the 6th of June, Venus is moving into the sign of Leo, and it will stay in Leo until October. So it's going to be a long time where Venus is in the 12th house, which governs passions, dreams, and intuition. You may have the opportunity to explore new romantic partners or someone you have a brief acquaintance with. Singles will get plenty of opportunities to have a sweet time with a new love interest. It's essential to take the first step and be willing to open yourself up to someone new. In terms of friends, beware of friends, or so-called friends, who may be trying to use you for their own personal gain. It would be a good time to align yourself with new friends, family, community, neighbors, or groups that resonate with you, and build new relationships or strengthen loose relationships that can bring you happiness later on. Business and finance. Horoscope predictions for 2023 are very much profitable for the finances of Virgos. Gains from previous investments may be considerable. Risky ventures will also yield excellent profits. June is a great time to move, buy, sell, or renovate real estate due to the full moon on June 3rd in your 4th house, which rules your home. Buying, selling, or businesses that involve importing and exporting will have good return on investment and outcome. Any new ventures will likely be successful, and your future goals should be solidified. An interesting opportunity may shine a light on you and put you in the spotlight. You may receive appreciation from important people for the things you do. Travel. Travel during this time may not be as rewarding and relaxing as you would hope for. Trips may be subject to complications or unexpected problems, and you will not accomplish your goal if traveling for work. Likewise, if travel is for pleasure, it may not end up being what you expected in terms of relaxation or the experience that you were looking for. You may want to delay travel until later in the year because of this. Mars is coming together in feisty Leo and is happening for you in your 12th house of secret places, so this could be a romantic encounter. Alternatively, this could mean a personal passion project where you're planning something for the future or doing something creative behind closed doors that you're not ready to show the world yet. From June 1st through the 19th, you'll have the last time frame free from retrogrades. Phoenix will start retrograde on the 19th until early October. It will start to move back into that inward and backward motion where we switch from being the active producers of things and very active in all endeavors to a more passive time frame. High intensity will mark the first few weeks of June to when the retrograde begins. We'll be hanging out and seeing what comes to us rather than going out trying to conjure things up. You've got a window of time where you'll be creating and trying to make things happen before you settle back in and see what will come from all your efforts. Health. This month, the stars are in quite a mood to bless your health, and you should remain in the best of health during most of this period. Any tendency to bouts of sudden sickness or problems like fevers and inflammation would be significantly relieved. They would in all likelihood be minor and not bother you much. This would also apply to people with any sort of dental trouble. In fact, any trouble related to your teeth should be treated seriously and would stand good chances of getting cured. This is a favorable period for your health, and those already in the best of health can expect to stay healthy. Step out of your comfort zone and learn to make new friends to move into this next step of your life. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss our newest videos and updates.